Bi-Level Purge Valve is a valve that limits the flow of vapor from the charcoal canister to the intake during idling. It is located in an evaporative emissions system. If the bi-level purge valve is stuck closed, it'll run straight out of the exhaust, which will cause much higher emission levels. When the purge valve is stuck open, you're getting more air in the system than your vehicle expects. It can affect performance across all engine speeds. It will turn on the check engine light on your dashboard and store the bi-level purge valve related error codes. Short distance driving is permitted if you find these symptoms in your car, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code scanner by clicking the link here or at the description link below. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.